The company reported a profit of $340 million. On an earnings per share basis, this was break even because there are 28 cents of charges. But we don't want to compare it to the consensus of 16 cents because there are so many one-time items. What's notable here, and Pimm highlighted this, was the litigation costs over at Bank of America, $1.6 billion. This is the overhang for Bank of America.
It's a lot of lawyers.
Going away. It's a lot of lawyers. It's a lot of time spent in court. It's a lot of distraction, frankly, for the bank.
Another one we want to highlight for you, PepsiCo, also just releasing earnings. Profit dipped, actually. Net income falling about 5% in the third quarter. The food and beverage company working to try to turn around its business. This has been part of the story for PepsiCo, tried to boost its flagship brand, Scarlet. And I know that we are going to be speaking with the CFO on PepsiCo, find out how those.
Yeah, you got Hugh Johnson coming up.
Yeah, we're looking forward to that conversation with Hugh Johnson. In the meantime, U.S. Bancorp shares not yet trading, but the bank, I should say, did report record earnings. Mortgage revenue, this has been the story for all these smaller banks that are more geared towards the U.S. domestic economy and less to the markets. 74 cents earnings per share versus the expected 73 cents. And on the revenue line, $5.18 billion, topping analyst estimates as well. There were provisions for credit losses of just under $500 million.
And another one to point out here, Halliburton.
That's right.
The energy company. I know, Pimm, you're very interested in this.
67,
Yep,
right?
world's biggest provider of hydraulic fracturing.
This is all about natural gas. This is about getting the natural gas out of the ground with Halliburton stuff.
Cheaper rates due to the glut of fracking equipment
Yeah.
was the big headline from the earnings release there. So net income dropping about $600 million on that.
Yeah, they got to try to maintain those margins because it's tough. You know, no one's making a lot of money in that drilling for natural gas. A lot of people are capping those wells. If you can't get it out of the ground and make a profit, you're going to try to keep it in.
All right. Well, Halliburton certainly one to watch, trading a bit lower in the pre-market.